0.375 as a fraction in simplest form. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to write 10. We have 3 digits, so write 310. Of course, you have to place multiplication sign between them, that is at a multiplication. Now we need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? Just divide numerator and denominator by the same number. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. If I divide this 10 by 5, I will get 2. If I divide this 375 by 5, what will I get? 75. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I will get 2 here, I will get 1, 5. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I will get 3, I will get 2. Now, write 3 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 3 over 4. The common factor between 3 and 8 is just 1. So this is the reduced form or lowest term or simplest form. 3 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and 3. So the common factor between 3 and 8 is 1.